Georgie's kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a creamy mushroom cauliflower soup. Ingredients. You just need some fresh mushroom, some onion, some garlic, a cauliflower, and a can of creamy mushroom. Let's start. Now we wash the cauliflower. We don't need the leaves. Now we wash the mushroom. Now we cut the cauliflower. Now we cut the mushroom. We cut them into small slices. Now we cut the onion. Now we dice it. Now we need to pan fry the mushroom a little bit. This is to remove the bad smell from the mushroom. No oil needed. Now we pan fry the cauliflower a little bit. Again, no oil needed. Now we need to boil the cauliflower. Now we cook the onion. First, we add some butter. Then we add some garlic. We just add 3 spoons of garlic. When you hear the sound, we can add the onion. Now we add a bit of olive oil. Now we need to smash the cauliflower. After the cauliflower has been smashed, we can add in the onion. And we add in the mushroom. Next, we'll add the creamy mushroom. Last, we add in some cream and some salt. Give it a stir. Now, give it a taste. So yummy! Now, let's serve. Thanks for watching, guys. I will be doing many experiments and cooking with you. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any fun activities. Remember to check the bell so you don't miss out any notifications. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye.